Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Rainbet promo codes this 2025. Looking for the latest promo codes from Rainbet? Here's how to find them quickly and easily. First, head over to Google and search for Rainbet promo codes. Scroll down until you find their X profile, formerly known as Twitter. Then click on the one that says Rainbet bonus. Once you're on their profile, scroll through their feed. Rainbat posts multiple times a day with fresh promo codes, and each post clearly shows the code you can use. Make sure to check the timestamps to ensure they're still active. When you've found a valid code, open your Rainbat account and click on the green wallet icon. From there, tap Redeem, then simply type in the promo code you found. That's it. Easy rewards in just a few clicks. Be sure to check back daily so you never miss a bonus. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.